Hi everybody, this is Miss Rogers. This is how you would join our new Google Meets, our morning get-together. First you need to go to the classwork page, and you'll see up here it says Google Calendar. I'm making this on Thursday the 23rd, but our meetings start next week, so I'm going to go up to next week. Okay. 12 p.m. No. It's in the morning. Here we go. At 9, you see the time here? 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m. These are the morning times. At 9:30 every morning, it says class meet and greet. So on that day, if it's Monday, you'll click here. And here it says join, and then you'll click on join. Now, I don't know if it'll come up right now since our meeting isn't starting till next week. Camera is off. Turn my camera on. Oops. Camera is starting. Oh, there I am. Hello. It says ask to join. Well, I guess you would ask to join. Right now there is no meeting. So I'll give it a try. Asking to join. You'll join the call when someone lets you in. Okay. Well, now you know how to do it. Next week, I'll be on the other line and I will accept you into the meeting. That's it. See you soon.